from gathering to growing food. In this chapter, we will learn about finding out about the fire, the beginning of farming and herding, and living and dying in Mehrangarh. Hunter-gatherers. Hunter-gatherer, also called forger, is any person who depends primarily on wild foods for subsistence. Generally, they hunted wild animals, caught fish and birds, gathered fruits, roots, nuts, seeds, leaves, stalks, and eggs. Until approximately 12,000 years ago, all humans practiced hunting-gathering. Archaeologists have suggested that the earliest humans in the Lower Paleolithic probably lived in areas of woodland. Animals move from place to place, so these people had to follow their movements for hunting purposes. Plants, animals, and people need water during dry seasons. That's why they traveled on foot from place to place. Archaeologists have found some of the things hunter-gatherers made and used. It is likely that people made and used tools of stone, wood, and bone, of which stone tools have survived best. Stone tools were used to cut meat and bone, scrape bark and hides, chop fruit and roots. Choosing a place to live in. Many sites of hunter-gatherers were located near sources of water, such as rivers and lakes. People tried to find places where a good quality stone was easily available, as it was important for hunting. Finding out about the fire. One of the biggest discoveries made by man was fire. Trace of ash shows that the people at that time have invented the fire. The fire might have been used as a source of light, to cook meat, and to scare away animals. Around 12,000 years ago, there were major changes in the climate of the world, with a shift to relatively warm conditions. In many areas, this led to the development of grasslands at many places, which helped people to start thinking about herding and rearing animals. Fishing has also become important for people. The beginning of farming and herding. Men observed several things as the climate of the world changed. Areas where edible plants grew were found. Humans started watching how seeds broke off stalks, fell on the ground, and how new plants sprang from them. With the development of grassland, people came to know about growing wheat, barley, rice, in different parts of the subcontinent. This is how they started practicing farming. This was the beginning of farming. Slowly, animals started coming to the places where humans grew crops to eat the grass. People often protected these animals from attacks by other wild animals. The first animal to be appropriately tamed was a dog, and it was used to take care of cattle. People started taking in different animals, such as sheep, goats, and cows to herd and rear. This is how they became herders. As humans started farming, they realized that seeds took some time to grow. Days, weeks, months, and even years. People had to stay in the same place for a long time, looking after the plants, watering, weeding, driving away animals and birds, till the grain ripened. People started making clay pots or women baskets, and some even started digging pits in the ground for storage. On the other hand, animals needed some careful caretaking too. Animals that are reared can be used as a store of food. Animals multiply naturally. Besides, if they are looked after carefully, they provide milk, which is an important source of food, and meat, whenever required. Archaeologists have found traces of many things. They have used these things to know how the ancient people eat, etc. And archaeologists assume that they would cook wherever based on the weather condition. Stone tools have been found from many sites. Many of these are different from the earlier Paleolithic tools, and that is called Neolithic. That includes tools that were polished to give a fine cutting edge, and mortars and pestles are used for grinding grain even today. Apart from these tools, some of the tools were also made of bone. Farmers and herders live in groups called tribes. Living and dying in Mehrangarh. Mehrangarh site is located in a fertile plain, near the Balan Pass, which is one of the most important routes into Iran. Mehrgarh was one of the places where people learned to grow barley and wheat, and rear sheep and goats for the first time in this area. In this village, many animal bones were found. Mehrangarh includes remains of square or rectangular houses. Each house had 4 or more compartments, some of which may have been used for storage. When people die, their relatives and friends generally pay respect to them. The dead person was buried with goats, which were probably meant to serve as food in the next world. Several burial sites have been found at Mehrangarh. These are the things related to the history of gathering to growing food.